my next video, I'd like to do one on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Just came out, and how to speed it up, how to make it faster. But first we need to do a little groundwork on how to get your watch in developer mode. I made a video previously on how to put the phone or the tablet in. It's the same steps, so if you want to search, I'll put a link in the description on how to do that. It's the same as these instructions right here that I'll read. So you go into settings, you tap about device or about phone, tap your software information, tap build number 7 times, and depending upon your operating system, you may or may not need to go to step 3, and then enter your pattern, PIN, or password to enable the developer options menu. So then the new menu will appear in your settings. I can't do it because I've already done it on all of my devices, so I just wanted to go over that and give you the groundwork first, that this is the first step that needs to be done. Honestly, all your Samsung devices should have this. There's a lot of things involved with developer mode, a lot of things you don't want to mess with, but in developer mode, that's the next step, is how to make your device faster. So we'll get into that next. Okay, so if you're in developer mode, you want to turn your watch on, obviously. Go to your settings and then go down to developer options. And excuse my clunkiness here. I hit a couple switches accidentally that I have turned off, but you want to scroll down quite a bit. And I'm just going to scroll slow so you can follow along right with me here. And again, see, don't do that. Try not to tap anything, but I didn't want to do it on my wrist, so yeah, you don't want that either. So keep going until you get to, there's window animation. You can turn it to 0.5 or off, transitioning 0.5, and animator. So those 3 things. You turn those off and everything is practically instant on the watch. It just slows down, it speeds up the animations and makes your device faster. So it's really simple. Okay, so that was my video on how to make the Samsung Watch Ultra faster. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.